With robberies and break-ins on the increase, the police have been focusing on commercial areas across the island. But will this alone deter criminals from attacking citizens in the heights of one of the busiest shopping periods of the year? That's the focus in this TVJ News special report.
Take them jewel, you understand? Take them can, when them thief rob, they might take it. They might take anything them feel for take, we can sell, we value for anything, them take it. You understand?
This is the cry of many street vendors in the corporate area. They've joined the chorus of complaints that not enough is being done to curtail crime, specifically robberies. As we visited several vending spots, the stories about how thieves target not only sellers but unsuspecting passers-by were widespread. To protect her identity, we'll call this robbery victim Jane. She recounted a terrifying encounter in Halfway Tree, St. Andrew.
But the one time that I had my phone in my bag, the guy take out my purse, take my phone, and him just walk away. Like I film things, him just walk away. And what was there for me to do? I just walk away too. And I walk to my bus park, cried a little bit, and I didn't even contemplate telling the police.
Jane is among the scores of robbery victims for 2019. Statistics from the Jamaica Constabulary Force show that as of December 1, there were almost 1,100 reported cases of robberies, a jump of 8% compared with the same period last year. Break-ins were up 2.2% compared with the same period last year, with more than 1,100 reported cases. Police Commissioner Major General Anthony Anderson in November gave the assurance that there will be a heavy police presence in commercial and market areas during the busy Christmas season.
We're going from this point forward to the end of the year, not only to secure our city and our town centers, our commercial areas for between now and the end of the year, but also as we go into next year, we want to set the conditions that we can have a successful year next year.
Yeah, me I tell you, people are right there, so I get robbed and right there, so I get robbed and all over this. And police there, so I don't see what I want. A taxi man, them at to target. An igla.
But not all are comforted by the commissioner's announcement. In fact, some believe the police are not strategic.
You see, the moment the little loophole, the criminal them know when the police them get them lunchtime. So when them go up on them break, the criminal them out on the road. So if they can change up the pattern at the lunch break, if 10 go up on them break, you have 10, 15.
But still, vendors are hopeful that with the increased police presence, the thieves will stay away.
The police presence would be a deterrent to the criminals because they know that if they do something, they can be caught easily.
Yeah, man, we feel safe when police come around because guess what go on now? Sometimes, the place get grimy, So police can, deal with the thing a better way, because sometimes the place get crowded and people can't pass. Police just make the thing more better,